You've done hundreds of crunches and still no abs. Crunches won't save you. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. Everyone has abs, even you. Abs are revealed, not earned. Abs show in the kitchen, not the gym. Core training supports, it's not the hero. Full body training burns more fat. Your diet decides everything. Let's expose beginner mistakes. Here's your 7-day action plan. Now, let me give you a simple 7-day abs reset plan. No gym, no crunch marathons. Just enough to wake up your core and start revealing your abs the right way. Day 1 and 2 are about movement and food awareness. Walk at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps. Drink only water or zero-calorie drinks. No snacks between meals. Day 3 is full body training. Push-ups, squats, pull-ups, or rows. This burns more fat than isolating abs ever will. Day 4 is controlled core work. Planks, hollow holds, leg raises. Slow, clean, controlled. Day 5 is active recovery. Walking, light, stretching. Recovery helps fat loss, more than punishment. Day 6 combines full body training with short core work. You should feel tight, not destroyed. Day 7 is your check-in. You'll feel lighter, tighter, more stable. That's how abs actually begin to show. This won't give you a six-pack in 7 days, but it will put you on the right path finally. Do this, and your abs will finally respond. Like, subscribe, watch the next one.